gone out of hand, gotten out of hand. You see, so that's right. We have to understand at this particular time, on a critical time, what is this stuff all about, and what is the key, and what is the mystery? The mystery now is pretty much when you talk about humanity. Been there, done that, got a damn t-shirt. You have to draw a line on whether you are going to become God's generator, operator, or destroyer, or whether you're going to be human. And once you go over that, you're going to find out. Now, let me explain what I'm talking about. Let me explain.
Got it.
So you can understand this thing. We get to the meat of what works. You see what I'm saying? What works? We know that we did the human thing for millions of years. And this is how energy works. You do something for millions of years, and the energy works for you. It's just like a child that's in childhood, a person that's in his teenage years, and that works for that particular person. But then the energy moves into adulthood, and those things that you did in your teenage years, although you might be 30 or 40, you would be a laggard riding around on a goddamn huffy at 10 speed. You know what I'm saying? Whatever teenagers do. You see what I'm saying and all? You know, you would be a laggard. You would be something that is basically outlived its function. You see, so humanity at this particular time is now becoming to its adulthood. And that adulthood is the mysteries of Christos, the Christ. There is something beyond this reality, but we don't want to give it to you in the whole thing of, when I get to heaven, I'm going to put on my shoes and walk all over God's heaven, milk and honey every day. You know what I'm saying? Sitting out in some damn cloud somewhere. What we're talking about here is creating a mutation into the next step of evolution. But it starts in the mind. Now, what are we talking about starting in the mind? If all of the ancient material says that man is supposed to basically transmutate, transform, metamorphosize into a new being, a new soul, a new spirit. You see what I'm saying? We understand that we are on the verge of that, but the key here is, in the movie The Matrix, they say, look at the spoon. Don't try to bend the spoon. That's impossible. Right. The real mystery, there is no spoon. Just bend your mind around the spoon and the spoon will bend. Well, it's the same thing with your mind now. The same thing with your mind now. You have to start thinking like deities.
All right.
This is the key. Now, what does Godzilla give a damn about Valentine's Day? You understand what I'm saying? I'm talking about, what does Godzilla give a damn whether you wear white after Labor Day? You see what I'm saying? Or any human custom. We've been there, we've done that. We got thousands of forms of what we think is right and wrong in humanity, but we're not thinking like gods.
All right, that's it.
Or deities. You see?